What's up, you guys? This is going to be my first tutorial on jumbo box braids on my own hair. I'm going to be using the Easy Braid Professional Hair, and it's by a company called Spectra, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, I bought 7 packs of hair, but I only used 4 packs. I want to start off by saying that this video was inspired by my daughter, Ladybug. I watched her tutorial on her own set of box braids and I was very impressed. If you guys would like to see her tutorial, I will put a link down below. Her channel name is Toodee&Ladybug. Okay, so what I did was I took this Shine and Jam and I used that to slick my hair down while putting it into the ponytails. Once I put it into the ponytails, I take my packs of hair. As you guys can see, this hair is already pre-stretched, which I love. I separate each pack into 3, and I take one of the 3 and I will use that hair to install each cornrow. Now I will also add a link down below fully explaining how to box braid your hair. I do have awesome tutorials on how to box braid for beginners, so I will put that link down below just so you can get you some nice crisp braids. With this hair, I braided all the way down to the very tips, and you want to braid all the way down. That way you won't have to worry about the braid puffing up toward the ends. You know how you see some braids and they're neat and everything, but then once they get down to the end, they start puffing up and getting fatter, or maybe even unraveling later. So you want to braid it all the way down until you can't braid anymore. And I have not forgotten about that natural hair update. A lot of you guys have been requesting for me to talk about my natural hair, what products I use, just like my journey in itself. And I will be more than happy to show you guys what's going on with my hair. Once I uninstall, I'll be putting something together soon for you guys. once I'm done braiding my whole head, then I'm going to take some hot boiling water and I'm going to dip my ends only. And that is to seal and ensure that the hair does not come undone. The last step, I'm going to take my scissors and clip any flyaways that I may have toward the ends. And this is not a must, but y'all know for me, I love to have my edges slayed. So the last step, I guess the last step is going to be to slick those edges. Get those edges tamed, honey. And this is also a bonus. You don't have to do this, but I decided to dress my braids up, and that's to add a little accessories. Just to add a little oomph, I added some thread to my hair and also some wiring. There's some gold wire in there as well. And that's my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super, when I tell you super duper quick, I think I installed this in under 2 hours, literally, no lies. So thank you so much for your support, your love, your blessings. Follow me on my other social media accounts under TEEDAY6, under Facebook, under TDay Tiffany. And you guys have a blessed week. Bye.